In this video, we are going to discuss about service portfolio management. A service portfolio management is the bundle or packaging the services. So, what is bundling or packaging the services? Means having a service pipeline or a service structure to deliver the correct services or the demand in services to the customers. We will see about the objectives and key concepts in service portfolio management. So, what are the objectives? Plan for services you can offer. So, planning of the services where we can offer the demand in services. Record of all these services including current, expired and in pipeline. So, as I said, service portfolio management is a package or a pipeline or a bundle of services. We see that what are the existing services, what are the retired services and what are the services in the pipeline. Provide information or guidance to service design. So, based on the service portfolio management, the service design is in the streamline here. So, if you see about the key concepts, service portfolio and its components and structures are the key concepts in the service portfolio management. Business services and business service management also plays an important aspect in this service portfolio management. And also the last one is we see about the business service versus the IT service. So, what is a business service? So, what is the IT service? In the next videos, we will find in-depth information about the service portfolio, its components and its structure.